Oh, Homestay Bono. And these are the owners. And they let me in their house. Can you see the ceiling? And by the way, Pamir's people prefer to be called Pamir than Tajik.
Tajik.
The-
Badakhshan.
Yeah, she's making some Tajik bread.
Tajik bread.
Okay.
Yes.
This is the bazaar and that's the Tajik flag. This is the city of Khorog in Tajikistan. Okay. This is. You could see houses here are made of rocks because it's free everywhere. You could see rocks, and you just buy some cement and that's all. We are now in Khorog city. Yeah, it's beautiful. This is a public pool. Now I found a McDonald's here in Khorog.